Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's been like forever. It's been a while that I have not seen here to talk to you guys. I always record my tutorial and then give you some voiceovers, but it's good to sit right here and speak to you guys. How have you guys been? How are you guys doing? How is the holiday season coming? Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim Frances Ezunyi, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful flip over boho braids. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely watch this tutorial to the end. Without wasting much of your time, I'll see you on the other side. Hair again, so I'll be starting off with a freshly washed blown out hair, and I'll be using sweet on hair wool for this tutorial. If you haven't seen my previous video, I show you the details of how I prepped both the straight hair and made the curls out of it. I'll leave the link for you at the end to click and watch if you haven't seen that video. And in the spirit of Christmas, I'll be using the color BG to achieve this hairstyle. So as usual, I started off by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, and going further to section the front part in two just to get that perfect center part. And now I started working with the back. So for the entire back section, I'll be doing individual knotless braids. So for the front, that's where you have the triangular braid and then the feeding braids. So this is me just starting out my knotless braid. Once I am done feeding in the braiding hair, the regular hair, I then feed in the curls, braid a little, and take it up so that I can braid the rest all the way down. And once I get to the point where I want the braids to stop, I'm just going to tie a knot to secure the braids. So now that I am in the front section, one line has been done, the feeding braids going from front all the way to the back, and this is me just parting out the triangles for the individual braids, because as I told you earlier, I am doing some flip over Fulani Boho braids. So this is me just parting out the triangles for the individual braids in front. So now that I am done parting out the triangle, I started with a knotless braid. If you've been watching me for a while, you are well acquainted with how I do my knotless braids in front. I just feed this in about 3 times, and I now feed in the curls and take the longer part up just to keep it away, and I braid the rest all the way to the point where I want the braid to stop. I tie a knot to secure that, and that is about that. And hey my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you're new or you're just seeing me for the very first time, please do not make it your last by clicking that subscribe button and join the family. Please give this video a thumbs up and help me with the algorithm. Thank you. As you do that, don't forget to comment down below for questions, recommendation, requests, contributions, whatever the case may be. I'll be there to reply your comment. Surprise, you guys! For the very first time, I sit and enjoy the luxury of someone else doing my own hair on this channel. Not like I haven't done that before, but that rarely happens. So because my convo is really bad, I had to call in a braider to help me out on this. So she is doing the crisscross feeding braid, because immediately after the individual triangular braid, the next is that crisscross feeding braid. So she is doing that part now, and I am just giving her the hair, and just to make everything easier and faster. And guys, that's about it. Just keep watching. I'm gonna play music for the rest of the video for you to just watch and enjoy. So now we are at the mid session, and I have 4 feeding braids for the mid session. On each side, I have like the first line is feeding braids, the second one is individual triangular braids, the third one is the crisscross feeding braid, the fourth and the fifth, feeding braids, and then the sixth is the individual triangular braids. I have the exact same thing on the other side, with the 4 feeding braids at the mid section. And with that, we are just done. You could tell how excited I am that I am done with this. So I took the curls away, like I took them up and tied them to keep them away, and I brushed the ends of the hair, the braids, and I curl them with my flexi rod. Once I am done with this, I just dip that in some hot water, and style, and that is about it. And FYI, I did the hot water off camera because it became really messy that day, so I just did that off camera, and that's about that. So guys, I cut off the ends of the curls just to have something that looks really even and nice. I trim the ends off and I apply some mousse to my hair, and guys, that is about it for this tutorial. Once I'm done with this, I just take out that scarf that I tied to lay down my edges, and guys, this is the finished look. Like, look at that, look at this. Can you tell, like, could you tell that I achieved this hairstyle with that sweetened hair wool? Every single thing I used here is from there. Guys, this is amazing. This is beautiful. This is so good. This is Christmassy, and I love it. Don't forget to check my previous video to see how I made the curls and prepped the straight hair for this braid. If you haven't seen that video already, I'll put the link up there for you guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share with friends and family. Guys, Merry Christmas and have a blissful New Year. I wish you the best of the season. Take care of yourselves. See you guys on my next one. Bye guys.